Hi, welcome to UpToDate Skills YouTube channel. I'm Joanna, and today I'm going to show you how to add a section for featured channels to your YouTube channel homepage. The end result will be a section just like this one here, where you can add your own channels or channels from your friends or people you follow. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, then hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. So let's start our step-by-step tutorial. The first thing you have to do is make sure you are logged into the channel you want to edit. So click the logo at the top right corner, click on switch account and check if you have the correct account highlighted or ticked. I want to change this one, UpToDate Skills, so let me click there. Now let's click on this button here where it says Customize Channel. At the top of this page, you will find some tabs here. The one we need is Layout, so if you're not there, just click there. Now scroll down and look for the title Featured Sections. Then click the option Add Section on the right and choose the option Featured Channels from the drop-down list. In this box here, you can write the title you want to give to your featured channel section. I'm going to feature channels from the same project, so I'm just going to write Our Channels. Then I'm going to right-click and choose an emoji. I'm going to add a heart. I want it to be red, so let me just copy and paste a red heart into the section title. Now we have to use this box here to search for the channels we want to feature. You can feature any channel you want. You can feature your own channels or channels from people you follow or channels from people you want to support. I'm just going to add some new channels I've just created for UpToDate Skills project. They are all connected to UpToDate Skills project. So I'm just going to type UpToDate Skills and I'm going to select all the channels I want to have in my featured channel section. Now I have them all here on the right under channels and section. If you want to delete some of these options, you can just hit this bucket here where it says remove channel from group. And if you want to change the order in which they appear, you can just click these bars here, and then you can just drag up and down and put it in the place you want it to appear. Once you're done editing, go to the bottom of the window and click Done. By default, when you add a new section to your YouTube homepage, it will appear at the bottom. But you can use these bars again, click and drag to another place. I'm going to drag it all the way to the top. To complete this process, don't forget to click Publish. You can click on View Channel to see how it looks. I'm back on UpToDate Skills YouTube homepage now, and if I scroll down, I will see the section that we have just created with my featured channels. Now I want to work on this tab here, the Channels tab. Let's click. Because I have already created a featured channel section, it will appear here in the Channels tab. But it is important to know that this tab will feature all the channels you have subscribed. I mean, all your public subscriptions. That's why if I click here, and go to subscriptions, I will see all the channels I have subscribed to. So I have my own up here, but I also have these two that I have subscribed before. But let's say you don't want other people to know which channels you have subscribed because they are not related to your channel or for some other reason, but you still want to keep your featured channel section. To make sure your public subscriptions don't appear here on the channels tab, well, you have two options. You can choose not to subscribe any channel while you are logged in to a certain channel, or you can change your YouTube settings so that the channels you have subscribed or your public subscriptions don't appear here on the channels tab. To do so, click the logo at the top right corner, look for the word settings from the drop-down list and click there. We are on the settings page, and on this panel here, choose the word privacy. You have two options here. The first option says keep all my saved playlists private. So if you save a playlist from another channel, but you don't want it to be on display when people visit your channel, so you have to activate this box. I'm not saving any playlists from other channels, so I'm just going to keep it as it was. And down here where it says keep all my subscriptions private, this is the one you have to activate. When this option here is activated, then your subscriptions won't show on the channels tab. When you change these options, YouTube updates automatically, so we can just go back to the top right corner, click the logo, and go to your channel. I'm back on UpToDate Skills YouTube homepage. I'm going to click the channels tab. And as you can see now, we only have here the channels I have selected for the featured channel section. We don't even have that option here to choose the subscriptions. But they still appear here just in case I want to use them. So I didn't delete the subscription. I'm still subscribed to these channels, but they don't appear for other people to see. Let's open the channel in an incognito page to see how it looks. And here it is. So if someone visits your YouTube homepage and they scroll down, they will see your featured channel sections. They will not see your subscriptions here on the left as we could when we were logged into our account. And if they click on the channels tab, they will see our featured channels again. And the option to see our public subscription is not even here. I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get updates on new videos. Well, I guess this is it. Thanks for watching.